Today we're doing mukbang, and as you can see, we prepare some crab and some shrimp and tilapia. Okay,
All right.
let's go. Seafood mukbang. Yeah, seafood.
Tell me when.
More. Okay, enough for now. We need
Ouch.
whoa. Oh no.
Like pepper spray.
We have some mango. What do you call this? Mango salsa.
You want this one?
No.
Huh?
No, I don't want that. Only head. Put some soy sauce. How's the crabs?
It's alright. Not a lot of meat in it. But I did get the smallest one. You know?
Which one?
The
Smaller one.
smallest crab.
They're small. I don't even watch.
Oh. We'll find something good to watch.
Horror?
Whatever's good. Whatever's good on.
How about the... Aray ko po! Is there a new episode of Insider?
The inside? Oh, maybe.
Is it?
The outsider.
Outsider?
Yeah.
Insider.
Spicy. think that'll be good with the fish.
Yeah. I don't know. Good with everything.
I don't know, that's my favorite with shrimp.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Your chili sauce.
Mm.
Chili garlic sauce from Vietnam. It's my favorite from the Philippines. My nanay.
Tilapia.
I try to make it
Crispy.
crispy. Yeah. Kinda, huh?
Yeah.
Mm. Good. The mango's good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Soft?
A little salt, but pleasant. Sweet.
Sweet?
Mm-hmm. I can eat a lot of the food.
What?
You can eat a lot.
You can eat a lot?
Yeah, if the food is like this.
Oh.
When we eat the crawfish too.
Yeah.
Crawfish with fish, right? Yeah, with tilapia. I will show you that another time. Mm. Oh no, your nose. There, your crab. You said you're gonna
Yeah.
eat this all.
I will. Watch me.
I hope you can get bigger next time.
Yeah.
Bigger than this.
There's not a lot of time on this, huh?
Still need to exercise
Mm-hmm.
and drive.
What? God. We already drove today.
You drove today.
You drove today.
When?
This morning.
Today?
Yeah. Didn't you?
Oh, yeah. should buy the
legs.
no, I
King
mean,
crab legs.
king crab. No. Yep. You know, the one for cracking the leg. I don't want to use my teeth. That's rice for you. Okay?
Huh?
That's rice for you.
Why?
Because you're taking that thing. You want more rice?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you like, okay. Babe.
Huh.
Hi! Oh,
What? Babe. Babe. Babe.
so mean again, huh?
Because I dropped my leg.
When did you propose to me?
February 8th, 2017. What?
Give me money.
2018.
I just asked you last time. Oh no.
We're gonna fail. Nothing. Oh, look at that.
Ooh. You use your teeth?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm so full. We still have dessert to eat. Strawberries, cinnamon, coffee cake. Yeah. Finish it. Just Look at that. We didn't finish the food.
I'm not done yet.
Huh?
I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay. I mean,
For you.
I guess it like this. Good, right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, I'm gonna help you, okay?
Alright.
Eat this two more.
Alright. For you.
Thank you, babe. I cooked that shrimp nicely. What do you think? Ooh, look at that. What's that? Egg?
I don't know.
That's eggs.
Is it? It's a colossal. That's why it's a colossal shrimp.
Is it? I didn't see that one.
I don't know.
So, I see. Oh, so yellow.
Yeah.
That's,
Little shrimps.
yeah.
My fingers are burning.
You can eat all that?
What? 8? No, I don't think so. Maybe just a little bit.
You can make taco.
Yeah, we can do that. And save this for the tacos.
Yeah. Guys, we're almost done. I hope you enjoy our mini mukbang. Bye.
Bye.
Oh wow.